guys, it's Grizzy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because for Christmas this year, I had asked for something that I wish I had thought of, but I didn't, so I'm a little mad about it. But I got the ProBlo brush. I love this thing, okay? I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I used it. I was kind of playing around with them, but I want to show you guys the different sizes before, because I didn't really get to think about what I was doing. I was kind of just like, gotta blow out my hair. Which, by the way, I hope you guys like my new color. If you don't know what the ProBlo is, it is this brush, which has my hair in it. The brush doubles as a roller. So you just hit this button right here and it comes off. And then with every brush head comes a clip. And all you do is you click that baby right on and it stays in your head, which you will see in this video. I did want to play around with it a little more, so I kind of left it on the side a little bit, clipped it, see how it would take shape. This is great for people who like volume in their hair, or they just want to blow dry their hair with some body. Totally suggest it. I usually have Velcro rollers whenever I want to add volume or body to my hair, but this is just like a gift from God, because now I don't have to just keep the hairbrush in my hair and use like 30 different brushes, and I definitely don't need to whip out the Velcro rollers that I have and then find the metal clips to go along with the rollers. Like, are you kidding me? Like, this is genius. I'm in love with this thing. So I used these two sizes and then a smaller size. So in comparison to this, it looks a little smaller. So they were awesome. I love them. I like to use the smaller one for my bang area. You'll see what happens when you blow dry my way. It's a little crazy. If you're interested in today's makeup look, that was last week's video, so I think I can like put it here, or maybe it'll be at the end of the video. I don't know. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited for you to see this. And like, I'm a huge fan. ProBlo, hold me down. I want like a million of these. I think they're amazing. That's also my thing. Like, once I fall in love with something, I want all of it. But James did get me, let's see if I can grab it. Oh yes, that man of mine. He got me other sizes too. They all look like the same on camera, but this is how you can tell, like, I just keep things in plastic. And they do come with their clips. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I'm posting weekly, and let me know how you guys like the vlog, because I posted my first vlog last week and that was amazing. I think this is going up. Yeah, I think I already posted the vlog by the time this comes out. But if you like it, let me know, because that was a lot of fun. I mean, I was a disaster for most of the video, but it was fun. And if you like the look I have on, there's also a video on that was posted last week, or whenever you're watching this. We could be in like the future. Well, technically I'm talking to the future. Whatever. So to start, I'm using the smaller size barrel and clipping it into the ProBlo. So one of the best tricks that I learned while working at a salon was if you section out your bang area so that wherever your part lands is in the middle of that section, you will get a much better result in terms of volume and bounce. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just taking that front section of my hair and I'm going to start blowing it in different directions, and then I will roll it into the brush. on to the back of my head, because if I start in the front, I'm not going to want to finish the back. So always start in the back, that way you get your whole head. And I'm actually taking the bigger size barrel this time, and I'm just using it as a brush now, just because I like when the bottom of my head is a little longer, and as long as I keep that rolling consistency, I'm still going to get some good body in there. So from here on out, it's pretty much just step and repeat. I'm starting from the top of my ears until my fingers meet in the back of my head, taking it section by section, using that same size barrel brush just as a brush until I get to the top of my head, where I actually leave the rollers in. So as you can see, that front roller kind of fell a little bit, but it's totally fine. I'm just removing it now because I want it to cool. Well, it's already cool, honestly. That's why I really moved it. But I wanted to see how it was landing anyway. So now I'm just going to take that same size barrel that I was using for the rest of my head, and I'm just smoothing it out a little bit so that it doesn't look like it's coming from a weird direction. Now, after manipulating that just a little bit, I'm even going to leave it in there just so that it takes that same shape and direction. But I am obviously super excited with my results because this is so easy, guys. Like, it doesn't get easier than this. Now that I'm reaching the top of my head, I'm taking that smaller barrel again, the same one that I used for my bang area, and I'm just going to take it at the top of my crown there, and that's where I like the not too much volume, but more volume than the rest of my head. So now that that back piece is actually in, this is where I get a little weird because I end up splitting a section that I would normally just follow the pattern to, and I removed that other roller so you can see it's much more tamed. But I'm switching to that, to a bigger barrel now, and I'm just using it as a brush again, because I think what I wanted to do was use the roller in a different direction to see how the shape would form. I think that was my logic. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I don't really know why I did this this way, but I probably just felt like it. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing, and you can still see that I'm getting a lot of volume, and it's really getting a good handle on my hair anyway. Not that my hair is super difficult to blow dry, but yeah. So now I'm just taking that section that is actually sitting where my part is, and now I'm following it as I normally would, which would be pulling the hair forward and back. So as you can see, that barrel on the left is actually the smaller barrel that I use at the crown of my head as well. And I left it in there until it was cool, and it gave me some serious curls. But there is something that I want to point out. If you look at the root, when I actually spread my fingers through it, there's a little dent. That happens if you don't, if your roots aren't completely dry, you'll get a little dents like that, but B, if you don't place the roller so that it has room
to almost stretch out. It's kind of hard to explain. But I must have had the roller smushed a little bit that it creased my roots. So now I'm just blowing out whatever I may felt like was creased, or if it was too much curl, so that it's just more volume than it is curl.
These brushes are so great. They're really sturdy. Even the clips are like bomb. Go get some. I will link these brushes down below so you guys can get yourself a pair because you need it. These brushes are bomb. They're so bomb. Ooh, is this like ASMR? Probably not. But until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and you know what? Follow me on Instagram, because why not? And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!